Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel, The Aim Trader. So we can see that Dow Jones how trade for today. Okay, what is possibility? It will come down. Okay, or it will continue the rally, and you can easily achieve up till this. Okay, if some market sentiment comes downside, so what happened? It take resistance here. Your first target will be this and second target will be this. If market sentiment is positive only, so now what we see, this is your first target. Okay, second target will be your this much. Okay, this two target for DJX. Okay, Dow Jones. Next, Nasdaq 100 index, we can see that from here it come and take support from here. So what happened? You can easily achieve your first target will be this and second target will be this. Okay, if it open a gap up or something, then it take here support and its first target will be this and second target will be this. Okay, this two target will be here, and you can go for this third target also. Okay, now we can see SPX 500. Okay, now it is continuously taking here only resistance. So what happened, if it open a gap up, okay, if it taken here support, then you can easily achieve this much first target. If it comes in downside, it taken a resistance from here, you can easily achieve from first target, and this is your second target. Okay, we see next BKX index. Okay, now BKX index is banking sector index, which is it is taking here only support. Okay, what we can see this, if it open flat or something, you can easily achieve your first target, and this is your second target. This two target you can easily achieve today only. Okay, if it open very much gap up, big gap up, then you can go for third target also up till here. Okay, now we can see next index. This is XAU index. Okay, silver, gold and silver sector index. You can see that here it is continuously consolidating. Okay, resistance taking. So what happened? If it open gap up or here only, so what you can do is, if it taken here support or inflow, it will goes up, so you can easily achieve up till here first target. Okay, in downside you can take, if it taken resistance here, your first target will be this. Okay, this is to gold and silver. Now we can see in SOX index. Okay, in SOX index, if it open gaps up and then taken a here supporting area from support, and you can easily achieve this first target, and this is your second target, and very big gap up open, then you can achieve easily third target too. Okay, in downside you can see that this is very weak, because first time and second time, if third time it open gap up, it will come and taken support, you can easily achieve this first and second target. Okay, if it open flat and taking a resistance from here only, then you can easily achieve your first target, this is your second target, and this is your third target. Okay, now you can see that Russell 3000. Okay, you can also trade here this index. You can see that it is taking two times resistance. If it open gap up, then you can go for your, this is the first target. Okay, you can see in downside also, from here to here first target, this is second, and this is third target. Okay, now we can see in Tesla, here this is acting as a resistance and this is acting as a support. Okay, if it open come here and taken here a support, you can surely go for this is your first target and this will be your second target and this is your third target. Okay, this is third target. Okay, in downside you can see that if it taken a resistance from here, your first target will be this, second and third target. Okay, this three target for Tesla. And for Apple, you can see that this is a very much supporting zone. Okay, very nice supporting zone. Now you can see that this is the one of the trend line what I am seeing. Okay, I will tell you one of the biggest thing you have to remember. See, if it open flats, okay, then it goes up, then only you have to buy for until here. Okay, otherwise whenever it open a gap of this much, so don't buy it, ignore this stock for intraday. Okay, for downside, if it opens here and taken resistance, then your first target will be this, up till this. Okay, surely ignore this Apple intraday. For if it open here only flat, then go for this is your first target and you can go for a bigger target also. If not, then don't go. Okay, don't trade this for intraday. For you can see that Microsoft, okay, Microsoft, this is acting as a resistance. Okay, now we can see that in upside you can go for your first target will be this and second target will be this. In downside, if it taken resistance once again, then you can go for your first target will be this. Okay, until this only. In Microsoft, in next Amazon, you can see that this acting as a resistance area. Okay, and this is the one of the supporting zone. Okay, now what happened if it open flat or something in flow, so you can easily achieve this one first target and second target and your third target. Okay, this is your third target. If it open flat and goes downside, it taken resistance from here. Okay, then you can easily achieve first target and second target. Okay, if you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel, and you have any queries, please comment, I will solve it.